everyone, and welcome back to my channel Creatively Purple. I'm Carolyn, and today I'm really excited to share this video with you guys. I recently just discovered Archer&Olive, and I decided to order a subscription box for the month of March, and I finally got it. Yay! And so I want to open up this box and share with you guys the goodies that I got inside. So let's flip the camera here. All right, so my box is in like pristine condition. It's not damaged in any way, and it's really thick as well, and it weighs quite a bit too. I believe it's like online I read it was like 8 pounds or something like that, so that's awesome. And the reason why my box is so perfect, it's because I ordered a journal, an A5 journal with it, so it got boxed into another box. So I'll be able to reuse this box, which will be fun. So let's open up this box here, and I'll turn it to the side a little bit so that I can open it. Ooh, look at that. All right, so I'm actually going to turn it to this side. Okay, so as soon as you open it, here we have a card. It says Journey Box, and it says, welcome to Archer&Olive subscription box. We're so excited to bring you this month's goodies. Inside you'll find a special collection of limited edition items curated to fit this month's theme, Journey. Flip this card over and have a look at all the exciting new products that come in your box. Additionally, you will get access to an exclusive printable on our blog. To check it out, scan the QR code below. All right, so, ooh, look at all these nice things in here. So, we have a tote bag here. It's very cute. I like the embroidered Archer&Olive. It's really thick as well. I didn't think it'd be that thick. And oh, inside you do have a spot for your pens, which is cool. And you also have a zipper on the inside, a little pouch. That'll make it easy to, when you want to travel, like bring your journaling, if you ever like get together with your friends and you want to, or all right, so the next item here, ooh, look at these. We got some gold and black ink. I like that it's teardropped. It'll help to get it on the specific areas of the stamp, so that's nice. Ooh, I'm most excited, well, not just for these, but I've been very curious about their acrylograph pens, and so ooh, so let's take a look here. So here we have a purple, do they have the names on it? No, they don't. So we have a purple here. There's like a reddish pink color, a yellow, a green, and then like a peachy rose color. Very nice. I can't wait to test these out. So here we have a acrylic block for the stamps, and I have 2 of them. So I have a large one and a small one. And then here we have a sketchbook. That's pretty cool. So let's see, do I have scissors close by? I do. Let's open this up and see. All right, so, oh, that's pretty. It's wrapped in paper. So fancy. Look at that. That's so pretty. So it's 160 GSM ultra thick paper. And let's see, I can slide this off. I like the textured leather. That's really nice. So yeah, they're just plain blank sheets. That'll be fun. I won't get much use out of this, but my daughter will. She loves to sketch, so this will be perfect for her. So I shall give it to her. All right, let's put this to the side. All right, so here we have some stickers. So we have air balloons and then some weeklies. That's nice. Ooh, this might be my April theme. All right, so here are the stamps. I like the little calendar, or it doesn't even have to be a calendar. It could be like a habit tracker. This one too, I like that. And I like how there's two different font styles for the weeklies. All right, so here we have a large notebook. All right, so let's take a look at this one here. So this is a dotted grid notebook and it has 112 pages. The boxes are so pretty. I love the boxes. All right, so here we have a gold boat that's in the clouds. So that's really pretty. I like that. And then I'm just gonna take this off and show you. Oh, there's a little place for you to put your pen. That's nice. And then here are the dotted pages. Beautiful book. Oh, and they also included a page saver. Oh, that's very cute. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh. I've never had a dotted journal this large, so it'll definitely be fun to use that. I already have ideas in my head. All right, and so the next item is another journal. And let's see here. Gosh, these boxes the journal is coming are gorgeous. They're beautiful. It's easy to re-gift or to use as storage. All right, so here is, oh wow, look at this. I love the color. It's a beautiful journal. Oh, so this one is actually lined pages. And this is like a linen, like a fabric cover. And then the inside has lined paper. Gorgeous book. I absolutely love this. This is a beautiful notebook. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm super excited. I think one of my favorites is this one. I absolutely love this book. I love the color. The notebook is beautiful. And I also can't wait to try out my acrylograph pens. And then the stamps. My gosh, it turned out to be a really great box. I'm so excited that I got it. I can't wait to put these items to use. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I certainly enjoyed making it. I loved opening the box. I can't wait for the next subscription box. I hope it's just as good or even better. Until next time, guys, have fun journaling.